Are you tired of the hassle and mess of traditional lemongrass oil extraction methods? Introducing the revolutionary lemongrass oil extraction machine, the game changer in the world of essential oils. In this video, we'll dive deep into the world of lemongrass oil and unveil the power of this cutting-edge machine. Key points. 1. The importance of lemongrass oil. Lemongrass oil is a versatile and highly sought-after essential oil with a wide range of applications, from aromatherapy to natural skincare and household cleaning. 1. Discover the numerous benefits of this powerful oil and why it's a must-have in your natural remedy arsenal. 2. The challenges of traditional extraction methods. Manually extracting lemongrass oil can be time-consuming, inefficient, and messy. 2. Explore the limitations of traditional extraction techniques and understand why they often fall short in producing high-quality, pure lemongrass oil. 3. Introducing the lemongrass oil extraction machine. This state-of-the-art machine revolutionizes the way you extract lemongrass oil. 3. Learn about its advanced features, including precise temperature and pressure controls, efficient extraction processes, and the ability to produce larger quantities of oil with consistent quality. 4. Step-by-step demonstration. Follow along as we demonstrate the step-by-step process of using the lemongrass oil extraction machine. 4. Witness the machine in action and see how it effortlessly transforms fresh lemongrass into pure, high-quality essential oil. 5. Benefits of using the extraction machine. Discover the numerous advantages of using the lemongrass oil extraction machine, including increased yield, improved oil quality, reduced waste, and the convenience of a user-friendly, automated system. 6. Practical applications and uses. Explore the versatile applications of lemongrass oil, from aromatherapy to natural cleaning and skincare. 6. Learn how this machine-extracted oil can elevate your natural remedies and enhance your overall well-being. Don't settle for mediocre lemongrass oil. Upgrade to the lemongrass oil extraction machine and unlock the secrets to high-quality, pure lemongrass oil. Click the link below to learn more and revolutionize your natural extraction process.